I'm going to first share a video of प्रशांत कुमार. ये मेरे चैनल पे भी है, आप देख सकते हैं. मैंने एक चैनल पे डाला हुआ है. What did I call that? Let me see. I call it as breaking news press conference on Sushant Singh Rajput, Disha and the minor girl. Okay. तो ये वाला मैंने September 21st को डाला था. एंड अच्छा, मेरा साउंड फुल नहीं है. Okay guys, can you hear me well now? So ये वाला मैंने सितंबर 12 को मेरे चैनल पे डाला हुआ है. This was a press conference he gave, and to be honest, I had not gone back and looked at this because at that time September में जब ये चीज आया था कि 14 लोगों का हुआ and everything, we were still like in that investigative mode because we were like still thinking like, you know, going it one by one, right? We had not gone to investigate the whole thing. We were still excuse me, doing all that stuff. So that is why I think I didn't pay too much attention at that time. And बाद में भी मैं जाके देखी नहीं, but अब जब देख रही हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है कि how Prashant knew so much of information. In September itself, he knew a lot of information. So I don't know how he knew that much information, but it was like surprising to me when I rewatched my own video actually. And तब मेरी नजर एक और नाम पे पड़ी. एक और माइनर की बात कर रहा था वो, माया करके, और उसके नाम पे के ऊपर भी नजर पड़ी. एंड दिस इज द सेम नेम दैट, इफ आई रिमेम्बर, आई थिंक व्हेन आई वेंट ऑन अनदर चैनल जहाँ पे गुंजन अपना एनालिसिस करती है, आई थिंक एएस मीडिया, वहां पे she named she talked, or she just named that Maya, and I was like, oh, I don't know who that Maya is, क्योंकि I have not heard that. But actually वो मेरे चैनल पे प्रशांत कुमार का था, जिसमें उसने नेम किया है वो एक नाम जिसका कोई फेस नहीं है. We don't have a face to it, but it is true that there was another girl that they were talking about, and her name was Maya. She was the minor girl. I think she was younger than Lisa. She was younger than Lisa Smith. Lisa Smith is like, I think 19, 20, that age, but she was younger than, she was 15 or something. So missed the initial 3-minute. People you're talking about, I recently stopped watching. Acha. Pushpa ji, nothing, you didn't really miss anything. The main important thing is starting now. उससे पहले मैं just अपना बड़ास निकाल रही थी और कुछ नहीं. So you're fine. Heard that name from Gunjan and I was there. Right, Nagendra ji, I heard. That's what she said, and I was like, कौन माया? मुझे माया का तो पता नहीं है करके. But अभी मैंने सुना. So I am going to just play only that part where he talks about Disha and that girl and Lisa. Just these three people, right? But वो जो sorry, मुझे थोड़ा सा कांसी हुआ है तो बीच बीच में ऐसा होता रहेगा. I can't keep unmuting, so you know, pardon me. But I'll just show you that part जहाँ पे Prashant, and also remember Prashant Kumar is someone who is in close contact with the father also, with SSR father. अभी recently मैंने उनके पिक्चर देखे जहाँ पे उनका बर्थडे हुआ था July 29th को, and he had gone to see KK Singh, and you know, उनके हाथ से केक खा रहे थे and everything. So he's like keeping in contact also. So pay attention to the things that he's talking about these three people. Okay, उसके बाद मैं और चीजें दिखाना शुरू करूंगी आपको. So let me play that. Let me share that with you guys. Share.
प्लीज मेरे बच्चे की कर लीजिए. ये मेरा बच्चा है जिसका नाम अद्विक वार्ष्णेय है. इसको डायलेटेड कार्डियोमायोपैथी हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से
मैं इसे आप सभी का बहुत बड़ा सौभाग्य मानता हूं.
ये क्या हो गया?
आप एक ऐसे समय पर करियर शुरू कर रहे हैं
ये क्या हो गया? सॉरी. पता नहीं ये क्या हो गया. कैसे हमारे पीएम आ गए पता नहीं. आई वाज थिंकिंग आई एम शेयरिंग दैट वन. आई थिंक वो शायद वो रन होके वो दूसरे वीडियो पे चला गया. सॉरी अबाउट दैट, बट एनीवे आई एम नॉट सॉरी, क्योंकि हमने अपने पीएम का फेस देखा, अच्छी बात है। सो लेट मी गो बैक टू दैट वीडियो।
कि उनको मारा जा सकता है या उनको नुकसान पहुंचाया जा सकता है, उनकी हत्या हो सकती है, क्योंकि जैसे
Okay, let me know if you guys are able to see that. Okay, yeah, you're able to see that now. Okay, good. So now मैं थोड़ा उसको बड़ा करती हूँ। I think वो डबल क्लिक हो रहा था।
कंटिन्यूसली 14-15 हत्या जो हमें पता चला है, हो सकता है इससे ज्यादा भी, लेकिन आज हम इस पे ही बात करेंगे। इसके बाद मैं बताना चाहूंगा दिशा सालियान, जो जिसकी पड़ताल अभी चल रही है और बहुत मेन रोल है। इनके लिए मैं बताऊं कि जो मुझे भी कॉल आया था इनके फ्रेंड का, तो मैं ये भी कंफर्म करना चाहता हूं कि जो इनके फ्रेंड का कॉल आया था, दिशा के फ्रेंड का, उन्होंने भी मुझे ये कंफर्म कर दिया था उसी समय। मैं उनका फ्रेंड बात कर रहा हूँ और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरी बातों को सरकार या फिर जहाँ भी अपनी टीम है उन तक पहुंचाएं और लोगों तक पहुंचाएं। उसके बाद उनकी तरफ से पोस्ट सर्कुलेट हुई जिसमें कितने लोग थे, रिपब्लिक पे मैंने जाकर बताया है, मीडिया पे जाकर मैंने, और भी अन्य मीडिया पे जाकर मैंने बताया है। इसके बाद ये सुशांत के सभी प्रोजेक्ट पे जुड़ी हुई थी। ये चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग का देख रही थी, सुशांत को पता था, सुशांत को बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन इन्होंने दी थी। ये लड़कियों की जो यहाँ से तस्करी की जा रही थी, ड्रग की जो तस्करी की जा रही थी, उसके बारे में जानती थी। और सुशांत और इनके पास, दोनों के पास एक ड्राइव था। सुशांत के पास 8 ड्राइव था टोटल, इनके पास लगभग 3 ड्राइव था, जो हमें पता चला। वो तीनों ड्राइव इनके पास से गायब है। उनमें सारा रिपोर्ट था कि कैसे लड़कियों की ड्रग्स की तस्करी की जा रही है और कैसे लोगों को मतलब इतने बुरे दलदल में धकेला जा रहा है।
क्या ये लड़कियां कहाँ ट्रैफिकिंग की जा रही थी?
ये लड़कियां दुबई ट्रैफिकिंग की जा रही थी, दुबई के लिए भेजी जा रही थी।
इसके लिए क्या आपके पास कोई प्रमाण वगैरह कुछ है?
इसके लिए जो लड़की, जिस लड़की को भेजा जा रहा था, उस लड़की की फ्रेंड ने मुझे ये सूचना दी है। ये बहुत बड़ी बात मैं कह रहा हूँ आपसे, उसकी फ्रेंड ने मुझे सूचना दी है और बहुत अच्छे से सूचना दी है डिटेल में। लेकिन मैं चाहूंगा कि उसका नाम तब मैं बताऊं या फिर इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम को भी तब बताऊं जब उनकी सुरक्षा मुहैया कराई जाए, क्योंकि मैं भी नहीं चाहूंगा कि किसी पे ऐसी आंच आए दोबारा। तो उनकी दोस्त ने जो मुझे बताया है, जो सबसे करीब रही थी, मैं उनका भी अभी फोटो में आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ। स्मिथ लीजा करके एक लड़की है जो 19 साल की है। दिशा और इनके साथ इनको दुबई के लिए भेजा जा रहा था और दिशा की जब हत्या हुई है तो इनकी ब्रूटली रेप हुई है पहले, फिर इनको न्यूड वे में ले जाया गया है गाड़ी से इनके घर मलाड पे, और मलाड फिर जाकर इनको फेंका गया। ये दिशा सालियान का मैंने बताया। इसके अलावा जो हमारे पास स्मिथ लीजा करके एक लड़की, ये सबसे बड़ी मेरे ख्याल से बात होगी और सबसे नया चेहरा और अलग चेहरा है। ये 19 साल की लड़की है, ये मलाड में रहने वाली है, मलाड की है जहाँ दिशा बिलोंग करती थी। ये दिशा की छोटी बहन जैसी, मतलब कोई ब्लड रिलेशन इनका नहीं है, लेकिन छोटी बहन जैसी है और बहुत दिनों से दिशा से कनेक्टेड है। ये सभी एसएसआर टीम के पार्ट, एसएसआर टीम, आनंदी, ये सब एक एज के होने के कारण और इनके मतलब कह सकते हैं कि देश के प्रति कुछ अच्छा करने के कारण ये सभी सुशांत ने इनको जोड़ा था अपनी टीम में और ये काम कर रहे थे। इनकी भी मतलब हत्या हुई है, इनका रेप हुआ है और इनके बाद इनको फैमिली भी आज इनके बारे में बताने से डर रही है। मैं जानता हूँ दिशा की फैमिली भी डर रही है, ये फैमिली भी डर रही है, लेकिन मुझे ये भी पता है कि जैसे कि हम सब पहले एक देशभक्त हैं, भारत के नागरिक हैं, तो पहली माँ या फिर पिता होते हैं तो भारत माता है हमारी, तो वो तो हमारे बच्चों के लिए न्याय लेंगे या हमारे लिए न्याय लेंगे। तो मुझे लगता है वो अब समय आ गया है कि अब सबके लिए न्याय लिया जाएगा। और इनकी हत्या जो की गई है वो मलाड में ही की गई है। इनका 11 जून को इनकी हत्या की गई दिशा के बाद। दिशा की जब हत्या होती है, सुशांत को पता चल जाता है कि दिशा की हत्या हुई है। इन्होंने सुशांत से कांटेक्ट किया कि सर जो भी हो रहा है बहुत बुरा है, दिशा दीदी की हत्या हो गई है और ये बहुत इनकी सूचना दी है, उनको सिक्योर किया जाए पहले, तब फिर मैं कोशिश करूंगा इनकी सूचना। उसके बाद 13 जून की बात करते हैं तो 13 जून को हमें जो बताया जा रहा है वो 14 जून सुशांत की हत्या, हालांकि 14 को नहीं हुई है, 13 को हुई है। हमने एक रिपोर्ट में बताया था कि सुशांत और आनंदी ये दोनों एक जगह ही मौजूद थे जब इनकी हत्या हुई। आनंदी सुशांत से मिलने गई थी ये सब चीजों को लेकर, सभी हत्याओं को लेकर उनसे डिस्कस करने को कि सर हम जो करने वाले थे, हम जो एक्सपोज करने वाले थे लोगों को, लोग हमें मारते चले जा रहे हैं, हमारी संख्या कम होते चले जा रही है, अब हमें क्या करना है, इस पर बात करने के लिए वो दोनों एक जगह इकट्ठा हुए थे। इसके साथ एक और लड़की थी जो नेपाल की वीरगंज की है, जिनका नाम माया बताया जाता है। वो छोटी लड़की है 15 साल की। उसका फोटो मैं नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि जहां से मुझे पता चला है और ये उनकी तरफ से उनका फोटो डिस्क्लोज करने के लिए मना किया गया है। लेकिन ये 3 हत्या हुई है 13 तारीख की रात। 13 तारीख की रात में 9 लोग आए थे और इन तीनों को उन्होंने ब्रूटली मारा है। और आनंदी धवन भी आज हमारे बीच नहीं है, कहा भले ही जा रहा है कि वो हमारे बीच है या नहीं।
यानी दोनों की हत्या एक ही दिन होने की
तीनों की हत्या। एक वीरगंज की एक लड़की है, छोटी बच्ची 15 साल की, जो एक एनजीओ से जुड़ी हुई थी, मैं उस एनजीओ का नाम नहीं लूंगा, एनजीओ से जुड़ी हुई थी और वो वहां पे रह रही थी। नेपाल थोड़ा दूर होने के कारण मुंबई में रहना और उनका अपना कोई फैमिली वैसा नहीं था, जिसके कारण वो सुशांत उनको देख रहे थे, उनका पूरा लालन पोषण जो है वो सुशांत कर रहे थे। तो ये तीनों की हत्या हुई है और तीनों निकाले गए उस दिन घर से। भले ही हमें एक दिख रहे हैं कि 14 को सुशांत निकाले गए। ये सभी एसएसआर टीम के पार्ट थे।
So you guys heard that, right? So मैंने भी इतना अटेंशन पे नहीं किया था, जबकि इनका वीडियो मैंने खुद डाला था September 21 को मेरे चैनल पे, but I never went and looked back to see what he had told about everybody, because like I said, हम लोग वो investigative mode में थे कि we were not really believing everything and we were still trying to find out कि क्या हुआ होगा, how much of it is truth or how much of the people that he's talking about are connected or not. But if you see clearly, वो दिशा के बारे में भी clearly he was already saying कि उसको वहां पे मलाड में फेंका गया था, जो कि एक्चुअली हमारे एनालिसिस के हिसाब से भी after a lot of things came out, Nitesh Rane telling and all these things, and the way you know उसका कोई body में bone broken nahi tha ya whatever, like all the things that we have also done in previous analysis on Disha and all, we have also concluded the same thing कि उसको वहां से फेंका गया नहीं था, उसको वहां पे probably वो कार से लेके आके डंप करके गए थे करके, right? So now looking back at that, I feel like he already knew that, right? मैंने भी इतना attention ही नहीं पे किया था like to all those things. So the other two names he talks about, and he is there also at that point. Actually उसी वीडियो में if you see in the end, I'm actually telling कि शायद आनंदी जिंदा है करके, because at that time हम सोच रहे थे शायद वो जिंदा है करके, because उसके डैड ने बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स डाले हुए थे and he was like active on Twitter. His brother was active. So because of all that things, we thought नहीं आनंदी जिंदा होगी, जो एक्चुअली आज तक हमें पता नहीं है कि वो जिंदा है या नहीं। शायद एजेंसीज को पता होगा क्योंकि they would have obviously looked at all this, right? So they would have gone looking for all these things. They would have gone to look for her also, I'm sure. So they might know it. For us, we still don't know. We are thinking she might be alive based on just what some people are saying, or based on just what her father has put on Twitter and things like that. So that is again a mystery for us, right? Anandika. So now get back and kind of think about all the analysis we have been doing so far, right? About the bodies. हम लोग बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि 2 बॉडीज वहां पे हो सकता है करके, मैंने कुछ जो एनालिसिस किया है, राइट? तो उसमें अगर now that the Maya, right, now that other girl is Maya, because मेरे दिमाग में वही चल रहा था कि Agnes or Maya. But again I kept thinking कि if I look at Agnes pictures and look at all like lot of stuff on her, I can see that she was into these kind of parties or rave parties, or in this kind of a circle where probably they're taking the girls somewhere to these kind of parties, right? So that's why मेरा doubt ये हो रहा था because उनका जो death का आ रहा था June 11th, and I kept thinking कि could that could not be the body on 13th. So that's what I kept thinking. Like I'm talking about the other body other than SSR. Who else could it be? तो ये जो नेपाल का जो माइनर की बात कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, राइट? बिकॉज दैट्स जस्ट ए 15-year-old kid. अगर प्रशांत बोल रहे हैं, that means that girl is obviously missing, right? So it could be that girl's body. It could clearly be. And हमें पता नहीं है कि see, there is a lot of reasons that the family is quiet or not coming and talking also. That is why it's very much important for us to also understand if the family is not coming forward and talking. जब केस चल रहा है, they cannot say a word, and if they know a lot more, then they are not going to come out and say a word. Now, when I listen to all that, it makes more sense to me that हो सकता है इसमें से कुछ कुछ चीजें तो पता हो फैमिली को भी, but of course their life is in danger too right now. So it's totally understandable. So Saloni ji, हाँ Saloni ji, you're saying yeah, I too said that not 2 but 3 bodies. Yeah, could be, but वही हम लोग, but we need something, right? We need to be logical also, and वो कुछ तो हमें फैक्ट्स तो दिखाने पड़ेंगे कि अगर हम सोच रहे हैं तो क्यों सोच रहे हैं करके. तो प्रशांत ने तो वहां तब बोल दिया था, बट we had to still like kind of see for ourselves कि are we able to connect the dots कि कहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं. और अभी तो हमने देख लिया है कि वो जो बॉडी जब बाहर आ रहा था या बेड पे भी मैंने दिखाया है कि वो 2 की तरह दिखता है. yes, of course दिखता है वो. So it is another body. We just don't know who that other person would be, right? And then the other angle of Anandi Dhawan also, it could be possible. Now, don't forget there were 3 ambulances which went to Mount Blanc. That's another clue, right? Why were there so many ambulances? Why they needed that many ambulances to go? अगर वो 2 बॉडी को एक साथ लेके भी गए, तो क्या तीसरा बॉडी को किसी और एम्बुलेंस में लेके गए? बिल्कुल हो सकता है. Possibilities are numerous here right now. And I'll tell you one, there's another thing that actually मैंने पुष्पा जी के साथ भी एक बार डिस्कस किया था, because I think पुष्पा जी also had shared a picture जिसके ऊपर हम दोनों को डाउट था, because that one picture when you see, actually I'll find that picture now and show you, that one picture, it doesn't look like the double body. Okay, अगर हम आपने रिपब्लिक लास्ट ईयर से फॉलो किया है, then you will see कि एक एंगल में जब वो लेके जा रहे हैं, then you see that kind of that shaking body and double and that curve, right? But there is also a video जहां पे वो लेके जा रहे हैं, वो फ्लैट दिखता है. It doesn't look. That's why at that time I remember रिपब्लिक पे बहुत चल रहा था कि अरे why one body is looking curved but the other body looks straight, which means it was 2 different scenes. That's what I'm trying to say. तो one जो curve दिख रहा था, इसका मतलब उसको हम बोल रहे हैं कि 2 बॉडी था. तो फिर वो दूसरा वाला क्या था जो दिख रहा था, right? I have one picture I'll share here which kind of created a lot of confusion in my head. Now I need to find that because I didn't keep that ready. So let me find that. Especially now we completely understand the fear of not coming out in public after policemen have also been caught for murder, and exactly we can see how much it is involved. So वो कोई भी हो ना, यूट्यूबर या कोई भी हो जो फैमिली के ऊपर टारगेट कर रहे हैं ना, अभी भी shame on them, really shame on them if they're not understanding the point and questioning each and everything. अरे कुछ तो छोड़ो फैमिली के लिए, why are you questioning each and everything? There are a lot of things जब केस चल रहा है जो चल like things that happen, अगर उनको पता भी होगा तो क्यों आके बोलेंगे आप लोगों को? अगर एजेंसी से बात कर रहे होंगे, राइट? तो करने दो. Why will they come and tell you something? Or why will the lawyer come and tell you something? Saloni ji, you're right. By the way, where is Anandi Dhawan right now? Yes, right. We don't know. We still don't have any proof that if she's alive or not. The only thing we know is her father was putting all those tweets and showing all that, so which kind of made us think that she probably is alive and just probably underground, or the culprits have compromised with her, and a lot of things we were thinking, but we don't know the truth. see Soma Shanti here. We can hear, we can listen to her आराम से. क्या बोल रहे हैं? अच्छा, apparently she is in Dubai. हेमा, who? विनीता जी? अच्छा, धवन. Right. Oh yeah, correct. That's what I think I saw on Styles channel probably recently, that they were talking about कि दुबई में हो सकती है करके. But उसका भी तो proof नहीं है, right? उसका भी तो proof कहाँ है? क्या हमने कुछ पिक्चर देखा है, या is somebody sharing something? They're just telling that, right? So एक solid proof नहीं है कि वो है करके. Had there been, क्योंकि I also remember when स्टाइल का वो चल रहा था, I also I think went and commented कि हो सकता है कुछ कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुआ हो करके. बट ये प्रशांत का ये वीडियो देख के मेरा भी दिमाग थोड़ा और गुम गया है कि सच में क्या वो सच में जिंदा है करके. Because I myself had not watched Prashant's video again until I decided to do this video. There had been what Pushpa is saying, multiple bodies. I'm sure they disposed it separately. हो सकता है. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So let me show now. Yeah, no proofs. Correct. There's no proof. That's what I'm saying. Even though there is news out there, but there's no proof of that. कि वो दुबई में है करके. And it could be so possible. She might be, and she might be alive. If the agencies have actually got to her, kept her safe, that's a whole different thing. So let me now go to, now I'm not sure if I need to show like her friend or something, because I don't want to really jeopardize anybody's, this thing here. So I'm a little bit thinking like whether I should or not show that. But let me show you just some few things that I have noticed. So first I'm going to show you just Agnes Smith's Instagram photo, because this is where, I want to play another video for you guys. This is Nitesh Rane telling that 11th दिशा का डेथ हमने जो सुना 8th का, right? जो मेरे एनालिसिस के हिसाब से, if you go back, see my Disha's video, I think she died 7th, or they killed her on 7th. That is like 7th intervening night to 8th, morning 8th. That's what that's just my analysis. But it could be, I mean, we don't know. But इसका जो है लीसा स्मिथ का, जिन्होंने भी कंडोलेंस डाला है वो जून 11th को डाला. नाउ इफ यू सी, नितेश राणे हैड टोल्ड कि जून 11th को दिशा का पोस्टमार्टम हुआ, राइट? तो 8th को अगर मरी भी होगी, एंड देन 11th तक दे हैड टू वेट टू डू दिस थिंग, एंड द रीजन वाज गिवन कि वो कोविड का रीजन था, व्हाटएवर. बट आज तक हमें पता नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने दिशा का बॉडी देखा नहीं. सो आज तक हमें पता नहीं है कि वो 11th को जो हुआ था वो दिशा ही थी या कोई और थी. बिकॉज इफ यू, अगेन, आई डोंट वांट टू रिपीट थिंग्स इन दिस, बिकॉज नहीं तो ये लंबा हो जाएगा. गो बैक एंड सी माय दिशा वीडियो वेयर आई एक्चुअली शोड यू द जो भगवती हॉस्पिटल जहां वो लेके गए थे उस बॉडी को, जो बोला जा रहा है कि बॉडी को लेके गए थे करके, जहां पे उसका पोस्टमार्टम हुआ था, बेसिकली दिशा का जो बोला जा रहा है कि उसका पोस्टमार्टम भगवती में हुआ था. वहां का जो हॉस्पिटल बॉय है उसका मैंने इंटरव्यू जो रिपब्लिक में था उसको आपको दिखाया था. आई डोंट वांट टू रिपीट दैट अगेन हियर, बट उसमें उसने क्लियरली बोला था कि वो जब पीएम हुआ था तो तब देयर वाज नो पिक्चर विद दैट, ओनली हर नेम, बट देयर वाज नो पिक्चर अटैच्ड टू दैट. जैसे कि हमने सुशांत का देखा था, सुशांत का एक पोस्टमार्टम के वक्त एक पिक्चर था, इफ यू रिमेंबर, देयर इज लाइक भूपेश सर ने सब शेयर, he did an analysis on that, where he's lying down like it's just flat and just the face you see, right? That's actually the kind of picture that अगर पोस्टमार्टम में जाता है तो बॉडी, they take kind of a picture, identity की तरह, ID की तरह, and they put it with it. But clearly वो बोला कि इसका जो एंट्री है जो बॉडी का, उसके साथ कोई पिक्चर नहीं. सो वी डोंट नो इट वाज दिशा, करेक्ट? इट कुड एज वेल बी दिस गर्ल. अगर 11th को हुआ है तो इट कुड एज वेल बी दिस गर्ल ऑल्सो, बिकॉज अगर इस लड़की के साथ सेम सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट, लाइक ऐसे हुआ होगा, that could show up in the postmortem. It could be her postmortem and not Disha's. So all these I'm just telling the possibilities, because it could be anything. Just because हमें तो पता नहीं है, we have no idea. We are just trying to see and trying to connect from what we have so far. So I am trying to think कि अगर उसका funeral रोहन राय ने already arrange कर दिया था 9th को, and they finished it, and of course Rohan Rai will know it and the family will know it, but family is not going to talk. We already saw that. We have already showed how family is so being threatened, so they're not going to come forward. So हुआ था, अगर उसका funeral already हुआ था, तो फिर 11th का body किसका था, right? That is also, that's again another thing for us to think about. I'm just putting all these points to you guys so that आप लोग सोचो कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, just connect with the dates and timing and all that, right? So let me show you. But एक चीज है, दोनों का Instagram में the last picture, whether it is Disha's and whether it is Agnes, दोनों का last picture was on June 8th. So I will show you. दिशा का तो हमने already देखा है in Disha's video. So I will show you Agnes का. Let me share the screen. So this is the picture that Prashant was sharing about her, and इसी में से एक पिक्चर था शायद जो वो शेयर कर रहे थे. तो ये है उनका उसका इंस्टाग्राम, एग्नेस लीसा स्मिथ. ओके, नाउ ये लास्ट पोस्ट है उसका, एंड ये है June 8th. कैन यू गाइस सी इट? लेट मी गो बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. यू हैव टू सी, यू कैन सी इट राइट? दिखाई दे रहा है राइट? June 8th का है. सो इसका लास्ट पिक्चर भी June 8th है, एंड दिशा का भी June 8th है. Okay, so there's like another connection. And look at the stuff also that's written here, right? So she's saying, since the SEX got easier to get, love got harder to find. So she's like heartbroken. So that kind of a thing has been put on her this thing. Now, did she put it? Did somebody else put it? Who knows? Because Disha ka bhi hame wahi doubt hai. Because just before something happening, it looks like everywhere, whether it's SSR, Disha, anybody, कुछ ना कुछ दिखाई देता है कि कुछ ना कुछ पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि बहुत दुखी हैं एंड मरने वाले हैं, एंड देन उसके बाद दे आर गॉन. ओके, सो इट कुड बी एनीबडी. सो वी डोंट नो हु, बट द वन थिंग टू नोटिस हियर इज बोथ ऑफ देम वाज June 8th. इसका भी June 8 था, उसका भी June 8 था. एंड ऑल्सो दीज पिक्चर्स आर ओल्ड पिक्चर्स, एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिशा's. दिशा का भी एक, I think it was the same top that she was wearing in her Zoom video, the dance video that they have done for June 6th for Rashmi's brother's birthday, and that was the last video that we saw Disha's, जो मैंने अपने वीडियो सेशन में दिखाया है आपको. सॉरी गाइस, मैं ना बात भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मेरा इतना लाइक खांसी की तरह आ रहा है. I'm trying to control it. So, वो जो लास्ट वीडियो में उसने जो एक टॉप पहना था, लाइक रेडिश ऑरेंजी टॉप, द सेम रेडिश ऑरेंजी टॉप का फोटो 8th को भी दिख रहा था उसके इंस्टाग्राम पे, राइट? सो यहाँ पे भी इफ यू सी, नाउ लेट मी go back, you'll see that the same dress is being repeated here. This black dress is being repeated here. So it's like अगर इस दिन उसने लिया होगा तो इसने यहाँ पे भी एक पिक्चर डाला है, फिर पिक्चर रिपीट हुआ है, द सेम ड्रेस का बोल रही हूँ मैं. एंड द सेम ग्रीन ड्रेस इज ऑल्सो हियर. इफ यू सी, यहाँ पे भी शी इज वेयरिंग दैट सेम ड्रेस, दैट्स द सेम ग्रीन ड्रेस ऑन June 3rd. इसका मतलब इससे पहले ही पहनी है, राइट? June 3rd को पहनी है या इससे पहले पहनी है. So that is so it's just repetition of the pictures. Now another thing I was trying to notice here is her hand. I'll tell you why I was trying to notice her hand everywhere. यहाँ पे ही notice करते हैं. Look at her hand. It's a little nice, like chubby hands, right? She has, but she's a little bit little bit tan skin, and she has kind of like a tattoo here on the finger though, but it's very negligible. So I'll tell you why I was noticing the hand, because अगर आपको याद है तो ये जो we were seeing the what was the thing we were seeing, the body, right? जो second body था, second body का हाथ थोड़ा सा दिखता है तो जो अनलोड हुआ था कूपर पे, राइट? कूपर पे जो बॉडी का मैंने दिखाया था, दो बॉडीज का, तो एक बॉडी का वो जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ब्लैंकेट थोड़ा सा हटा हुआ है, एंड देन यू सी द हैंड, राइट? द हैंड लुक्स लिटिल चबी हैंड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स हर्स, you know, it could be somebody else, but it is not definitely SSR. I'm talking about the second body. The body at the Cooper, yes Saloni ji, the body at the Cooper जिसमें थोड़ा हाथ दिखता है, right? वो हाथ वो left hand दिखता है. And if you see, if you think about the way SSR's body was, right? तो जब वो when the body was like laying on the bed, it's the left hand that you were able to see, and the left hand SSR ka looked very darker because the body probably was there from night, right? So it was a long time that the body was there because they killed him probably on 13th. So because of that uska हाथ fingers if you see are very long and थोड़ा सा darken हो गए थे fingers, darken दिखते हैं, वो वीडियो में भी clearly दिखता है. बट वो जो हाथ दिख रहा था जब कूपर पे, वो दूसरे बॉडी का, सिर्फ उस बॉडी का हाथ देखा है हमने, वो थोड़ा सा चब्बी होके थोड़ा अलग दिखता है. लेट मी शो यू दैट वन एक्चुअली. सुशांत के घर में भी बॉडी थी बेड के साइड, करेक्ट, क्योंकि उसमें भी द बॉडी वाज लाइक दिस वे, लाइंग डाउन दिस वे, तो उसका लेफ्ट हैंड ही दिख रहा था. और जब वो निकाल के ले जा रहे हैं बॉडी को कूपर पे, तब भी आप क्या देख रहे हैं? लेफ्ट हैंड ही देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज द बॉडी इज अगेन इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, right? The head this side and the leg that side. So I will show you that picture also. Let me find that picture first. मेरा जो वीडियो है ना उसी को प्ले कर देती हूँ, that way you can. I will stop at that right spot. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I'm going to play this video. Not very clear actually, that's why I was trying to find the other video. See, यहाँ पे क्लियर नहीं है. ओके, सो क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है, बट if you see that hand is very chubby, it really doesn't look like Sushant's hand, although the body looks very long, like tall, right? Looks like a tall body, but the hand does not look like it. So anyway, I know I have a picture. I'll find it by the time I end this stream. I will find it. So वो एक बात, right? So I showed you that Agnes का this thing. Now I want to show you the connection that I'm talking about. Now let me show you that network that I'm talking about. That is the Hamla network. Okay. Now I'm not saying anything about it, but I found like it looks very suspicious. And like I had said, I think on some other session also, Freeze had mentioned that जो भी लड़कियां वहां पे दिखती है बहुत सस्पिशियस दिखता है करके, राइट? सो लेट मी शो यू दैट. एंड आई फाउंड सम मोर थिंग्स. एक्चुअली आई फाउंड लॉट मोर थिंग्स. I'm going to share this screen here. And I would request anybody watching. Oh, why am I not able to share? Okay, share screen. To please like talk about this so that I am not the only one. If I'm not the only one, they can't threaten me. So this is the Hamla network का Instagram. Okay. Now इसमें अगर आप देखेंगे तो this has started somewhere in September of 2019. Okay. So the way it started, you will see it started with pictures of these actors. These are child actors, right? ये कौन से ये में था, कोई तो सीरियल में था ये लड़का. So these all are kind of those young actors, and it started with them, like putting their pictures on. Even she, right? I think these two came together in one of the serial, right? I forgot what that serial was. वो जो शिवाजी राव था क्या, या महाराणा प्रताप, कुछ तो था. I don't remember which one, but these girls came on that. This girl and the guy, right? So it started with that, kind of like, giving like this thing to actors or influencers and all. Then slowly, if you start seeing, you'll see that it's kind of then changed a little bit to a lot of other girls that start appearing young. All are young, very young girls. And then you also see that these people, they have given condolence to actors, right? So यहाँ पे जो, if you remember कोविड के टाइम में इरफान खान चले गए थे, एंड यहाँ पे एक और चीज मैं दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ पे रिलायंस का एड है. ओके, सो रिलायंस इज समवेयर स्पॉन्सरिंग. दैट मीन्स रिलायंस ज्वेल्स है, and I would think it is still Reliance, because if you go see here,
Valentine's Day is around the corner and Reliance Jewels is in.
And I'm just going to mute that. So यहाँ पे you can see all the hashtags and all that kind of stuff. Reliance Jewels and Reliance, hashtag Reliance Jewels. Okay, so we can see connection going on with the sponsor here. Reliance being a sponsor, looks like, if they are putting the advertisement on this. Correct? Next, if you go up, you'll see that they are, then you'll start seeing all this, right? All young models, girls, but then the way they're posing, it doesn't look all that this thing. There's something weird going on here. But then they also post condolence for the actor. Irfan Khan jab passed away, right? So you can see Irfan Khan ke liye they've written the date and whatever. Then Rishi Kapoor passed away. They have put that, correct. Then you see all these models that have been advertised. And one weird thing is, if you click on any of these collaborations, right, you will not see that they have tagged this girl. They have not tagged the model. That is very weird. Only thing is, whenever you click on it, you will see there are call numbers. So to call her, but you will not see them tagged. That is very, very weird that I saw. On everything, you go check on everybody, you will not see any tag to the girl, which means you can't go to their Instagram from here. You can't go to their other Instagram. So only thing is, there are call numbers. Okay, weird. What kind of a modeling agency is this? Not sure. So again, you see here, Wajid Khan passed away, so they have put his picture, right? Now keep looking. This is what was very weird. ठीक है, वो actors का ये कर रहे हैं, actors को condolence दे रहे हैं, actors का डाल रहे हैं, ठीक है, right? But then you slowly you will see somebody pop up here. You see that? Rest in peace, Lisa Smith. Lisa Agnes Smith का डाला है उन्होंने. So what is her connection with Hamla Network? If it's okay that they're putting actors, so somewhere they are connecting with actors, okay, but why would they put Lisa Smith, right? तो ये उन्होंने डाला हुआ है. Just उसके ऊपर जाओ, ये जून 11th का है, right? I'll show you. I'll click on that and show you. It says rest in peace, and that is exactly how even Sushant says. Then they have put Sushant's, which says rest in peace for Sushant. Okay, and that's on 14th. So this was like very, I think the first time I saw this, I got kind of goosebumps when I looked at this Instagram, just to see that both of them are on this, gave me goosebumps, like it just connected immediately. So if you see here, again, they have not tagged her also. There's no tag for Agnes Smith here. Nothing. The reason we could get a tag was here because somebody called Jati Mehra. She asked what happened to Agnes and she tagged Agnes. That's how we could actually find to go to Agnes Instagram because of this. But these people, these Hamla Network people have not tagged her. All they have written is rest in peace. That's it. Like no other wording there, nothing. So if they had to only write rest in peace, then why did they even put her this? Like, how did they know about her? Why? How is she connected to this Hamla network? So that is the mystery. Okay. So that's all was there here. This is how we could go to Lisa's Instagram because of somebody else tagging her. And everybody asking like, what happened to her? What happened to her? And then here somebody is saying her last post was on June 9th. Actually, it was not June 9th, June 8th. I don't know why they wrote June 9th. I think it was June 8th. I showed you guys, right? We can check that again. She posts no post after that and she posted regularly. या फिर क्या जून 9th को कुछ हुआ था and then निकाला गया था? We don't know that because why is this person telling 9th June? जबकि हमने clearly देखा कि 8 जून को था, right? So people knew her. So somewhere she's connected to these people then, to the Hamla network. So, and then, like you saw, Sushant ka tha yahan pe. So when I doubted कि Sushant का क्यों डाला, but then when I went down and saw that they have put for Rishi Kapoor, they have put for others, okay. But then the person who stands out would be then Agnes, right? Why would they put Agnes? And here, and that was on June 11th, remember that? And here it says, words cannot describe what your fans feeling. Our thoughts and prayers are with you and your family, Sushant Singh Rajput. Okay. So, ye dekha. I'm just showing you I'm not creating anything, guys. I'm just showing you what's in the social media out there. Clearly, one by one, I'm just showing you guys what's out there. So this is nothing like I've done or anything, right? I'm just like looking at stuff that's already out there. So इसके बाद ये पूरा देखोगे तो you can go check for yourself. It's just all young girls, very young girls, and you'll see very less guys, but there are few, but it's all girls. And you will also see like things like Hamla nights, right? What is this? What does that even mean, Hamla nights? What's going on in Hamla nights? What, they're coming live somewhere doing something? This kind of goes with along with what's come out with Kundra and all that, right? I'm not like saying that they are doing something like that, but what I'm saying is very similar to that. Like, what does that even mean? Hashtag Hamla nights, hashtag Hamla network, right? Hamla network is organizing event on 11th Feb, is inviting in celebrities, models, artists. So what is it? What goes on these Hamla nights? And it can't be just like how, I mean, here also we have a lot of things that go on where influencers meet each other, YouTubers meet each other, and things like that go on. But this seems very weird just because of the way the girls are posing. So that's the weird thing I wanted to show on this. Now, let me show you the extra connection I found. I found another one. This is Hamla exclusive. Okay. Now, I'll show you. This is also connected to Hamla network. This is something I came across now. So a lot more things I came across. I'm going to show you guys one by one. And मैं sorry अगर कोई comment कर रहा है, मैं comment नहीं देख रही हूँ. I'm just trying to go through with this. Somebody is saying, Gauravji is saying, I was right. The Hamla nights proves that it is just like Kundra. It could be. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. They organize small parties. They basically buy the whole pub. Venki ji is saying that, yeah, for a day and only, and their crowd and allow. Exactly. तो वही कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, वही मैं बोल रही हूँ बस. So-called YouTube platform was shaming women, saying very bad in the word. Vaishya, nasty person, hypocrite. Okay, I'm not sure Himal ji, but anyway, Very shady, correct. Shalima Menon is saying very shady. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to show. Yeah, it's an agency, but it looks like very shady because of the way the posts you're seeing. Hema ji, last post of was 9th. Acha, 9th tha? Acha, let me double check it again. So that is the reason, like, I wanted to bring this up because of all the other things also that's going on. So now let me show you the Hamla exclusive. This one, what I noticed was very weird again, making connections here. Okay, this started, I'll show you when this like started. दूसरा जो हमला नेटवर्क में दिखा रही थी वो 2019 में शुरू हुआ था, सितंबर 2019 में उसका पहला पोस्ट था, बट इसका पोस्ट है राइट आफ्टर सुशांत डेथ. ओके, इसका पोस्ट है जुलाई ऑफ 2020, बट लेट मी डबल चेक क्योंकि मुझे भी याद नहीं रहता, नहीं तो भूल गई तो I'll be telling wrong things then. So if you see the first post on this, sorry, you may be feeling dizzy कि मैं ऐसे ऊपर नीचे कर रही हूँ, but ये पहला पोस्ट है जुलाई 11th of 2020. जस्ट जून को सुशांत का डिमाइस हुआ है. This started July. Now I'll tell you how they're connected. They are both the same. They're connected. Look at this here. Makeup, hairstyle, promoted. This, who is promoting this? Hamla Network is promoting at Hamla Network. The content is from Hamla exclusive. But यहाँ पे weird thing ये है कि यहाँ पे ये लोग ये लड़कियों को टैग कर रहे हैं. अच्छा ये फोटोग्राफी का था, बट हैंडल्ड बाय अमूल ठाकुर. अच्छा ये फोटोग्राफी का था, मैंने सोचा ये लड़की का था, सॉरी. सो they're just showing as Instagram, Insta girls, whatever, Insta models and all. So this started in July. Okay, so did they start something with Hamla Network? Was there some connection with all these things with SSR? Did he know some things? Only after demise did they start the Hamla what is this, exclusive after that, because now their path was clear. You know what I'm like trying to say. So I don't know, I am just thinking loud and trying to tell you guys क्या वो possible है. Okay, now ये सब हो गया. अब मैं एक चीज आपको दिखाती हूँ. I showed you now two things, right? Hamla Network का, and then the Hamla exclusive was something I found out later. Now Agnes liked the post for her on 14 June. Hold on, what are you? Soumyajit Sarkar is saying Agnes liked the condolence post of hers on 14th. How is that possible? Oh, you mean liked this post that's on Hamla Network on 14 June? I'm a little confused. थोड़ा और clearly बताइए सरकार जी. Okay. Now let me show the other. Okay, so I talked about these two, right? So the connection I'm just telling is like when the Hamla exclusive started only in July of 2020, after maybe everything was clear for them. Now, because we saw that वो जो मैंने प्रशांत का देखा, the girl Maya was from Nepal. So I started digging a little bit more into the Nepal stuff. Okay, now, but before going into that, actually, no, I'll share you some other pictures that are very important on Agnes. I think some of them I was thinking of sharing, I may not share, just because the stuff with her friends, I don't know if it is like good to share. So I'm thinking karu ya nahi karke. Okay, so somebody told me that the last post of Agnes was June 9th, and actually, to be honest, I also thought June 9th मैंने देखा था पहले, but मैं अब भी आपको दिखाती हूँ. Let me share her Instagram itself and show to you guys. It's actually telling June 8th and not 9th. So I am not sure where the 9th is coming from, but मुझे भी ऐसे ही कुछ याद था कि 9th, क्योंकि I remembered somehow when I was looking long back at her Instagram, I remember thinking that, oh, it is not the same day as who is that? Disha. But today when I'm looking at it, let me share again and show you guys, just to make sure that you guys are seeing exactly what I'm seeing. Okay, this is our first post. See that here, the last post, I mean. You see the date here? It is June 8th and not 9th. So is something happening? Another weird thing I've seen that's happened on her post. There was a post where she had like kind of drugs on her mouth. Okay, if anybody remembers, if they checked out Agnes' Instagram, there was like drugs all around her mouth. I could not find that picture right now, which is very weird. And she had written something about the drugs, that it's easier to something in terms of like that it's very easy to find drugs. So that's what she had written there on that. And uske mouth ke surrounding mein aise white powder tha. So that's the picture she had put. So that picture, I have seen that, but I could not find it on her Instagram right now, which was like very weird to me. Is somebody tampering with her Instagram? That's another thing. Vinita, someone may have been correct. You're right. No. Wonder if Soumyajit Sarkar is saying that someone was using her phone to possible, because I'm telling, I've seen that picture. I think many of you, if you looked at Agnes, you would have seen that picture, but I could not find that picture right now. When like yesterday, when I was trying to find, do this thing and save some pictures, I could not find that on her Instagram. Wonder if TikToker Sia was also in this, and she died on 25th June. Oh, okay. I mean, see, a lot of these things are connecting to a lot of the trafficking stuff. Pushpa ji said 8th, 9th could be due to the time difference. Oh, acha. So you're seeing from India, are you seeing it as 9th? Because for me, it is showing as 8th. But I also remember seeing it as 9th before, when I was checking long back. But right now, I'm seeing that it's showing 8th. I remember that post, right? Venki, if you remember that post, वो drugs का कुछ था, right? And I did not save that at that time, क्योंकि मैंने सोचा उसका Instagram कहाँ जाने वाला है, मुझे क्या पता था कुछ हो जाएगा इसे. Someone is playing, could be possible. It could be exactly like Disha का जैसे हो रहा था, right? True or not, it was not this person. What are we talking about, Himalji? I'm not sure. Good morning, Jasrai. If you just joined. Sorry to say, but this is nothing but another mode of child trafficking. And I'm sure SSR was going to reveal something. Yes. See, that's why I'm saying, that's why I'm trying to show you connections, that ये जो हमला नेटवर्क में कैसे उन्होंने सुशांत का भी डाला था, एग्नेस का भी डाला था. तो somewhere there's connection, that means, right? कहीं तो connection है. And if you see the dates again, वहां पे भी connection बनता है. And प्रशांत ने तो clearly September last year में भी बोल दिया था ये सब कुछ, right? So now let's go to yeah. So I was talking about Nepal. So then when I started, oh yeah, let me show you another picture which I found very weird. I'm like thinking, going everywhere, like, because before I go to Nepal, I want to talk about this picture, because this I found very weird also. Is one picture which she had posted in April. Okay, this picture, let me remove the comments. Okay, in this picture, look what she is saying. Okay, stop share. No, hold on. I have to share that, I guess. I'm not sharing it. Am I sharing? Oh, how is it sharing already? I'm not even sharing though. Are you guys are, acha, I shared with this thing. Okay, I got it. Okay, so ये जो है, इसमें look at her caption she has. You see the caption? It says, identify the legs behind. And then like she's putting like this kind of this naughty kind of smile, right? And she's telling like tongue out kind of thing, and she's saying identify the legs behind. अब पीछे legs देखो, बहुत fair legs है पीछे. So when would a girl do that? A girl would do that अगर ये लड़कियों को ऐसे पार्टियों में ले जाया जाता है हमेशा, अगर वो कुछ when you are in a company of like big people, right? Then if you're trying to kind of show off and trying to tell your friends that देखो किसके पार्टी में मैं आई हूँ, right? कौन है मेरे पीछे देखो, like किसके पार्टी में मैं आई हूँ, kind of showing off and saying that could be it. That means she probably was in some party where there were some big people around, okay? Because she's specifically saying कि मेरे पीछे जो legs है उसको identify करो कौन है करके, like that, right? So this was very shady to me, and I am not saying कि किसके legs है ये, but I'm just trying to say कि ऐसे कोई पार्टी में थी वो जहाँ जिसके बारे में वो थोड़ा बोस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रही थी कि मैं ऐसे पार्टी में आई हूँ, इनके सर्कल में आई हूँ करके. She is trying to show and show that, okay? So legs थोड़ा देख लो सब कोई, okay? No, I mean, I don't know. It looks like somebody's legs to me. I'm not going to say it, but शायद हो भी नहीं सकता. I mean, maybe not. You know, it could be anybody. But that is weird, that caption. Just now, let me share another picture. Actually, let me share this picture because this is how we knew that this person had put like some condolence for her. This is her makeup artist. Okay, so these, I'm just showing some places that I have got from her Instagram, and I'm showing that these people know her. That's what I'm trying to show here, that these are some of the people that know her. So this is one of the Nidhi _ Shah makeover, जो कहीं कहीं पे होगा मुंबई में, जिन्होंने उसका एक दिन कहीं मेकओवर किया था शायद. So on June 11th, she put a condolence for her and put her picture here. Okay, so these people know her because she probably went there for makeup all the time. Another picture where you see that she has a lot of tattoos. Another picture where she went that people would know her would be this place, which is the tattoo place in Mumbai, which is Sam Studio of Tattoo Arts. यहाँ से उसने डाला है कि वो टैटू कहाँ पे करवा रही थी करके. Right? Oh, it's coming like that. Okay, मैंने वो ओवरले किया हुआ है तो वो मेरे आगे आ रहा है पिक्चर. So that's the tattoo place. Then I'm just showing you guys, you know, just so that अगर किसी को कुछ और भी पता लगाना है तो go find these places. These are all the places that she was roaming around in. This is one weird thing I found on her Instagram, which is, if you see all her just posing kind of pictures, and actually, you know what, let me come to the side and talk. This side out. Acha. This is kind of she has on her Instagram, I took it, right? She has put a lot of pictures where she is posing and she is smoking hookah, or she's like a lot of things, and you will see that a lot of videos also. I don't want to show it here, but if you see her Instagram, check out Instagram, you'll see that वो जो pictures भी ले रही है या जो room में है and all, you see lot of drinks and lot of things. And so I don't know what kind of thing she was involved in, but she sure was in that kind of a circle where, I don't know, maybe they were doing that kind of a business, you know. I don't know what, क्या मजबूरी होगी उनकी या किस लिए कर रहे थे या what, but it seems to be like that if you look at her Instagram. This was one weird thing that stood out that I saw. That was this one, which was like it says Galaxy of Stars. It kind of connected me to SSR, right? So I kept thinking that, is this a book? Like, I'm not like Googled and seen, is this a book or something that she was reading? She was interested in this. And it's something that connects us to SSR. So I wanted to show you guys this. Next. This is her mother. And I'm not going to show this too much. You know, I hope she's well and she's fine. I'm sure if they know her, if they've killed her, they know who her mother is. So, you know, nothing like to hide here. But this, I just got this from her Instagram. And this is another picture she put of her mother. Now, this is who I'm talking about, her best friend that posted this. And Agnes posted this actually in April. You're not just my best friend, you're part of my family and all that, wishing her birthday. Okay, तो ये अप्रैल में उसमें एग्नेस ने पोस्ट किया था. बट ये सेम चीज इस लड़की ने पोस्ट किया है on her Instagram. Not this one. This is with her mother actually she's posted, but there is not that. There is another one. I think I didn't save it here, but okay, I will show you guys that. So there's another picture जहाँ पे इसने इसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने एक्चुअली उसको पोस्ट करके डाला हुआ था टू विश हर टू गिव कंडोलेंस ऑन जून 11th. शी पुट द सेम पोस्ट, बट उस पोस्ट में देयर वाज समथिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू शो यू गाइस. एक्चुअली वेयर वाज इट? लेट मी फाइंड. This was in February, so they have a lot of pictures together, like, you know, during just before that COVID times. But let me actually यहाँ पे मैंने डाला नहीं है. Let me put that here. एक और पोस्ट है जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिकॉज वहाँ पे एक क्लू है that tells that that person also did not probably see Agnes' body. So that's where I'm trying to get to. Which was sorry guys, I'm trying to look for that post. Okay, here we go. I'm going to share that post. Okay, so this was what her friend, her close friend, she put that, and look what she says in the end of it, right? She says, my heart. And another weird thing that you find is all these girls, they have this SSSSS in the end of it. Same like how Agnes had SSSS, and then this has SSSS. I don't know if it's got to do with some kind of, I was thinking probably it's the age, because if you, but then it doesn't even correspond with the age, because if I count this, I think it has 15 or 16S. And I'm sure they're older than 15. So I don't know what this is, but it's very weird that every girls you look at have that in the end. They just expand that SSSS like that. And it's mostly S also. It's not even any other alphabets. It's actually S. Because iska naam bhi kuch aur hai. I think it's Tanya Quadro or something. But so Tanya would be Thania, but then they are ending it at tan and then putting SSS. So I don't know. So it's something they follow for age, or something for other people to know what age they are, maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing. But here she says, my heart aches to know that I'm never going to meet and hug you tight again, or we are never going to travel together the world again. You promised me that we would travel everywhere. It if what I'm not able to read it through this. You will never fight with me again, never listen to me, all that she's written. But in the end, I wanted to tell you what she's written here. She's written that, but I will cherish every moment I had with you. You are in a better place now, and you will never be replaced. I wish I could meet you for one last time. Rest in peace, sweetheart. She puts this on June 11th, sorry. And this here tells me that she also did not see her body, because she's telling that you will never be replaced, and I wish I could see you, meet you one last time. That means, and she's putting the crying emoji, that means she didn't see her body, right? So that's kind of a clue that ना शायद दिशा का ना एग्नेस का बॉडी किसी ने हमने देखा है. दिशा का पता नहीं, अगर रोहन राय एंड फैमिली ने देखा होगा एंड फ्यूनरल किया होगा, वो हो सकता है, बट एग्नेस का बॉडी भी किसी ने देखा ही नहीं. That's another thing. Now let me go into the so these were few weird things I saw on her Instagram, and I could see that her friend is grieving, and I think in August of 2020 was Lisa's mother's birthday, and on that day also her friend posted for Lisa's mother, because she is very close to her. She posted, "Happy birthday to the most beautiful lady who has supported me, taken me as one of their own daughter, and I'm blessed because I have her." And she wishes her and she says, "I love you, Auntie Ma." So she's auntie, but she's kind of calling her Ma. So wherever they are, I hope they're safe and, good. But she posts this on 22nd. Now, let me go back to a few more places that I want to show you guys where this girl was roaming around, so that if you guys can find out something, right? That's why I'm just showing you guys, because I'm not in Mumbai. But few more places that were there on Instagram was this, which is Royal Palms, Mumbai, where she seems to be going a lot. It's like a hookah bar, I guess, hookah place. Then Mira Republic, ये पता नहीं कहाँ पे है. So you can see she's posting all this. This is 10:04. Time भी दिखा रहा है वहाँ पे. So some places, like there are a lot, but I'm just showing these things to you guys. Now, this picture I wanted to just show you guys the hand, उसका हाथ देखने के लिए, and बाद में मैं दिखाऊंगी. I'll find that picture of the body का hand and I'll show you guys. And also another thing I saw was, इसने ये pictures बहुत पहले डाले हुए थे अपने Instagram पे. If you see the background here, it's focus on that. ये same place है, ये Agnes के picture से. Agnes ने ये डाला हुआ था with this flower background same place में उसकी friend. Now I don't want to go to her friend's Instagram because wherever she is, let her be, okay. I don't want to dig deep into her, but I'm just showing that she's still grieving, and she puts this picture on June 27th because she didn't post for a long time. After that June 11th, she didn't post, and she posts on June 27th, and I think she's in the same place, and she's saying, "Sometimes memories sneak out of my eyes and roll down my cheeks." So she seems to be like a true friend. I hope somehow she's like helping. And from what Prashant was telling, I feel like she might be helping. So I hope they've kept them all safe. So now let's go to the Nepal connection. So now when I started digging into Nepal is when I found something which was like very weird to me, because I didn't know this at all. So let me show you guys that connection right now. One main thing is missing is we cannot connect these murders to Disha or SSR, as there are no photos of them with SSR. Yeah, there are no photos. Yes, exactly. तो इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, like बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट है जिसको हम कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, बट ऑल्सो वी आर फाइंडिंग सम काइंड ऑफ कनेक्शन. लाइक जैसे ये जो एजेंसी है, ये एजेंसी हाउ इज इट रिलेटेड टू एग्नेस, राइट? अगर वो स्टार्स का डाल रहे हैं तब भी ठीक है, बट वो एग्नेस से कैसे रिलेटेड है, एग्नेस का क्यों डाल रहे हैं फिर? So that is another thing. And another thing I'll show you now, Venki, and you will also be kind of surprised, maybe, I don't know. But when I started looking into the Nepal angle, child trafficking, Nepal, and all that, let me show you what I found. The reality is really dark. Yes, it is darker and darker. And the next one I'm going to share with you guys, you will see that definitely अगर सुशांत ने ये सब चीजें देखा होगा या ये सब चीजें उसकी नजर में पड़ी है, then he was definitely doing something towards this because he was connected with NGOs. That is why it has become even more it's a dangerous territory actually right now. So Nepal connection. Now Nepal connection के लिए let me share one thing I want to show you guys here. I'm going to talk about just one of the tags or one of the things that Steve Pinto mentioned, right? I don't know if this is clear to you guys because Steve Pinto ka abhi band ho gaya Instagram, so I could not actually go there and find something, but this is something I got from like before that I had. So this was the post on Parveen Babi actually that he had done. So इसमें if you see he has a mention of hashtag Nepal year. Okay, कहाँ गया वो? यहाँ पे. I don't know if you're able to see, it's in the middle क्योंकि मैं माउस मूव कर रही हूँ बट आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा, मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है बस. So hashtag Nepal है एक. Another hashtag you see that's related to Nepal here is Danny Denzongpa. वो नेपाल के हैं, correct? And the another reason उसका hashtag यहाँ होगा is because of the Parveen Babi connection, because I think he was dating Parveen Babi before. So she was his girlfriend or something at that time. Or he dated her for some time. So, ये Danny का connection. He's a Nepali, right? Now keep that connection in mind. The reason I'm telling is because क्या ये जो हमला नेटवर्क, हमला एक्सक्लूसिव, ये सब एजेंसीज है, are they connected in any way to this person is where I'm trying to go. Are they connected? Question mark. Okay, I don't know, but I'm just connecting the Nepali angle there that Steve Pinto ne mentioned kiya tha Nepal, and that of course to connect child trafficking and all that minor angle, right? But is there a connection of those those people with this? We also know they have that the Danny connection, the Nepali connection is there with even Chatri. We know that they're very very close. उनके जो बेटे हैं बहुत क्लोज है. क्या वो कुछ चला रहे हैं? We don't know. हमें पता नहीं कौन है ये सब सोशल मीडिया का ओनर, right? We don't know who runs in the background. Now, another important thing अभी मैं जो दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको, let me share that. Sorry guys, पता नहीं मेरा थोड़ा स्लो हो रहा है मेरा स्क्रीन्स. Okay, so I looked at this one here at this NGO. I stumbled upon it just googling. I just googled, that's all, to see कि नेपाल का जो child trafficking का अगर गूगल करोगे तो it shows this one of these NGOs which is Next Generation Nepal. Okay, so as I started reading here, क्योंकि यहाँ पे they were showing about hundreds of children in Nepal, right? They kind of, even though they're not orphans most of the time, they are termed as orphans maybe because the families are poor or something, and they just tell that they are orphans and try to put an orphanage, and so that वहां से कहीं और उनको ले जाया जा सके करके। बट इसका एडवांटेज ये जो चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकर्स है ये लेते हैं। जैसे अगर ये चीज एसएसआर ने देखा होगा तो वो उसको ही वुड हैव फेल्ट द नीड टू डू समथिंग फॉर दिस किड्स। बट यही चीज अगर छतरी देख रहा होगा तो छतरी को ये बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी लगेगा। यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? Different perspective for different people when they look at this, right? Because a lot of kids are lost here. So here it says, at Next Generation Nepal, we reconnect trafficking Nepali children with their families. So this is an organization that is trying to connect the Nepali children with their families so that child trafficking should not happen. Why? Because taken from rural villages and at a young age, many of these children, they end up in illegal orphanages and homes. Often they are found on brink of starvation and in terrible conditions. With child trafficking still a major problem in Nepal, we need your help. Okay, so that's why this organization started. तो इसको जब मैं एक एक करके यहाँ पढ़ने लगी, मुझे ये बात पता नहीं था. And see what I read here. Several years after being displaced from their families, 19 children living in Kathmandu set out a journey few ever imagined. Years earlier, they were taken from their families with false promises of safety and education. Okay. Now, saved from the abusive children's homes by Next Generation Nepal, the children are finally going home. They will travel to the remote district of Hamla in western Nepal and reunite with their families. This is their journey. Hamla is a place in Nepal, guys. ये मुझे पता भी नहीं था आज तक. एंड मैं कोई भी आर्टिकल पढ़ रही हूँ तो सिर्फ जहां से मोस्ट चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग होता है, दैट इज द रूरल पार्ट ऑफ नेपाल. दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड हमला. इट्स अ प्लेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन नेपाल जो कि जहां पे हैवी चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग होता है. एंड shockingly, these Instagram are named Hamla Network and Hamla Exclusive. I am just trying to say, question, is there a connection with that Hamla name being there is what I'm trying to insinuate here. What do you guys think? I didn't read the comment. हाँ वेंकी, मैंने बोला था ना मैं दिखाऊंगी कुछ. मुंह खुला खुला रह गया. So do you see the name Hamla was very shocking when I saw this. Kyunki it was not that I just read here. As soon as I read Hamla, it was like, oh my God, what is this connection? And then I started going and reading a lot of other articles. And कोई भी नेपाल का article तुम उठा के पढ़ो, you will see कि हमला पूरा मैप भी दिखेगा कि नेपाल का जो हमला का जो प्लेस है जहाँ पे heavy child trafficking होता है, because वहाँ it's a very rural place. It's beautiful rural place जहाँ से there are very poor people there, lot of poverty there. So वहाँ से children को दे उठा के ले जाया जाता है कि उनको education मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा cities में, because these are poor families. So maybe some parents just sell them, who knows? And maybe some parents just are thinking like, okay, they will get some kind of opportunity and they send them. And once that happens, ये लोग orphanages में रहते हैं. यहाँ से फिर वहाँ कुछ लोग जो advantage लेना चाहते हैं वो advantage लेते हैं. But there are also good organizations that work with these children to give them some good stuff. And these are the organizations like the one I'm showing you right now. These people have identified that these kids have parents. They are not orphanages. And then they are trying to go and reunite them with the family. So I'll show one of the girls' story and show you the whole thing. And that will make a lot of sense. So now, yeah, Hema ji. Oh, thank you so much. नीतू जी, नानी जी, आप यहाँ पे आके देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल. Thank you so much. हेमा जी, 2 more Nepal connections. वही तो मैं वो डेनजोंगपा के बारे में ही तो बोल रही थी मैं, बिकॉज स्टीव पिंटो ने क्लियरली नेपाल लिखा था, डैनी का नाम लिखा था, करेक्ट? तो वो डैनी का नाम वो नेपाल का है, सो वहां पे कनेक्ट, मेक ऑल द कनेक्शंस. So that is why I'm saying who runs this Hamla network, who runs this Hamla exclusive. That is the key. That will be the key. I think last मैंने सुना था कि वो डैनी डेंजो का जो टैग था वो it was like I think he privated it or something after some time. वो recently हुआ था before Steve Pinto का ये चला गया. So that means there is some reason because people are digging into it, right? So that's why उनका जो बेटा है उसने निकाल दिया होगा, वो प्राइवेट कर दिया होगा. Oh yeah, Rubel Solutions, no doubt at all. Like I said on Twitter, right? Like I said on Twitter, that person you're talking about, the Jeera Soda, is another, I would say a big pimp in this case. I would say, if you see their lifestyle, you will wonder why their lifestyle is like that. How is a person like Jeera Soda so popular? Have you seen the crowd that comes around him? Even Shah Rukh and Salman don't get such kind of a crowd, right? Why? And why are Shah Rukh, Salman, or anybody, any of the Khans or anybody in film industry not intimidated by this person? Why? They were intimidated with SSR. But why are they not intimidated with this person being so popular? That means there is a lot of big connection with Jeera Soda in the back. That is the reason. Okay, so he's bigger than these people. So he has a lot more connections. He's bigger, and he probably is number one person with this Chhatri. So that's the reason. Right, correct. Sarkar, yes, right. You're right. पिस्ता दाकड़, यस, पिस्ता दाकड़ का भी मैंने बहुत पहले ही एक्चुअली ट्विटर पे डाला था, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर ही मैं जब बिग बॉस का वो एंड हो रहा था, दैट टाइम ओनली आई हैड सीन उसका जो वो डेथ हुआ था एंड ऑल. बट लेटर व्हेन हर पिक्चर सरफेस्ड विद दिशा एंड ऑल, दिस इज लाइक फ्यू मंथ्स बैक की बात कर रही हूँ, दैट टाइम ओनली ट्विटर में वी वर क्वेश्चनिंग द पिस्ता दाकड़ का विथ खान कनेक्शन एंड विथ ऑल दैट थिंग कि व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड विद हर. So yeah, so I did see them that they talked about that. Yeah. So let me now show you more stuff. Khans are very dangerous. Yes, Nani ji, everybody is dangerous. Nani ji, kaun dangerous nahi hai? Goon of Mumbai, exactly. हाँ, ये लोग ना बाहर से ऐसे दिखाते हैं जैसे ओ दे डोंट लाइक सलमान एंड सलमान की वजह से मेरा मूवी ये हुआ वो. ऑल BS सर, बकवास चीजें हैं ये, ऐसे ही दिखाने के लिए होते हैं so that you don't connect him with Salman and still try to talk some other thing. That's why they do that. Okay. Now let me not lose my thoughts. तो ये कनेक्शन मैं आपको दिखा रही थी. Let me share some more things on this. Actually, let me go back to that. Because I want to show you something else here. So this is this thing. Now let's stop sharing and I'm going to share you another one here, which is very important for you guys to see. Let me share again. And then I've not done anything special here to find out this, right? All I did was I Googled to see the child trafficking in Nepal, and I found like all these things that kind of really like shocked me कि इतने सारे बच्चे और इतने सारी चीजें हो सकती है करके. Now let me share another one here. Okay, this one I'm going to actually go through the whole thing because I want you guys to see like what Sushant would have felt, what SSR would have felt अगर ये actually ये NGOs के लिए काम कर रहा था and ये सब देख रहा था. Then you will see that you will also get goosebumps when you start seeing these things. And I could feel SSR, that I could feel कि सुशांत ये सब देख के क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा होगा करके. So let me share. See this? You guys are able to see, right? That is the beautiful Hamla. That is the place Hamla. How beautiful place. Himal Ji is saying also, excellent find. Also, please Google INS Hamla. It's an Indian naval station, and guess, yeah, I am sure if I start digging even more, I'll find a lot of things. Himal Ji, it is just that ये मैं अभी few days में I found out all this, because मैं just सिर्फ वो हमला नेटवर्क के ऊपर करने वाली थी, but then like when I started digging, finding more stuff, I found the Hamla exclusive one, and then like I started digging into child trafficking and found this place called Hamla, which was a shock to me. I didn't know that, and all the stuff that happens there. Okay, so Hema ji, on 14 June, one guy named Vinod, हाँ विनय काटी नहीं है, वो विनोद काटी है एक्चुअली, क्लोज टू वाज प्रेजेंट हियर, यस वी नो, दैट्स व्हाई मैंने अपने प्रीवियस सेशंस में भी जब वरुण के सेशन में भी किया था तब भी हमने कनेक्ट किया था कि हमने दिखाया था वो विनोद काटी को एक कार के साथ, वो जो 5522 व्हाटएवर नंबर प्लेट के साथ, वो नंबर प्लेट हम कंपेयर इसीलिए कर रहे थे आपको दिखाने के लिए कि वो वहां पे वो नंबर प्लेट, वो कार वहां पे खड़ा था 14 जून को एसएसआर के घर के बाहर खड़ा था, राइट? Just that we don't have proof of Sahil Khan being there. We don't have the proof of that. क्योंकि वो जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वो येलो शर्ट में साहिल था, वो साहिल नहीं था. वो मैं I can do another video to prove that that was not Sahil. That I know. But क्योंकि बहुत पहले एक I think एक लड़की ने किया भी था उसके ऊपर, and मैं भी सोच रही थी, but then I looked at it कि नहीं, वो नहीं है, साहिल नहीं है. But the connection is there because of the car and because of that guy you're talking about, Vinod Kati. उसका connection साहिल खान से है, यू आर राइट. सो ये पॉसिबल है कि उन्होंने उस दिन किसी और को भेजा होगा कुछ चीजें संभालने के लिए वहां पे. सो दैट इज व्हाई दैट गाय माइट हैव बीन देयर एंड नॉट द ओरिजिनल गाय. Saloni ji, this is a place called Hamla, correct? This is a place called Hamla, Saloni ji, that I'm showing you guys. So let me start reading in that, because I want to go through this. I really want to go through this because I want you guys to see what I felt when I went through this. Because this is a story about a girl that they have showed here, and this is a Australian. See, there are a lot of people, you know, from other countries who come and they really want to help. जो हमारे दुश्मन होते हैं ना, मैं बोल रही हूँ, हमारे दुश्मन हमारे ही देश में है, बाहर नहीं है. ये जो एक एनजीओ है, एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन चैरिटेबल एसोसिएशन है, these people are the ones that are helping to actually reunite these orphans back to their parents, just because they realized कि ये orphans नहीं है. Because ये लोग किसी किसी को लेके वहां पे आ जाते हैं, and then बाद में इनको जब पता चल रहा है कि ये orphans नहीं है, इनके parents है, they are trying to invite to kind of unite those kids back with their families. So ये story उसके बारे में, and इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ हमारे देश में ही है हमारे दुश्मन. वही हम जैसे हम देख रहे हैं छतरी वतरी ये सब जो काम करते हैं, छतरी काम, ये सब हमारे ही लोग हैं जो ऐसे काम करते हैं हमारे ही बच्चों के साथ. A 10-year-old forced to pose as an orphan walks the road back to life with her parents in the remote Himalayas, and her story reveals the harm being done by the good intentions of the charitable Australians. She keeps an watch on the doorway, watching, hoping, watching again in the next few minutes. They're talking about this 10-year-old kid. Devi will see her mother, Kalavati, for the first time in almost a year. क्योंकि एक साल पहले इस लड़की को ले जाया गया है यहाँ से, and उस orphanage में डाला गया है. But then the orphanage में they have come to know that नहीं, इसके parents है, she is not an orphanage. That's why they're getting her back to her mother. Kalavati has been sending text messages all day as she passes through the village after village on foot, closer and closer, darker and darker. The sun has long gone and evening has set in. Look at that girl, how beautiful. I mean, ये सब बच्चों को आप देखोगे ना तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि SSR क्या कर रहा था. Devi is the last child to be united with her family. She glances back at her older children, already in the arms of her mother and father, in the arms of their mothers and fathers, telling stories of things that have happened. But this will not be a simple reunion. Like many other parents, Devi's mother has mixed feelings about her child return to their home in the Himalayan mountains. They are part of the complicated story of the child trafficking in Nepal, where children are falsely portrayed as orphans to lure volunteers and donations from places like Australia. तो ये सब कौन कर रहा है? ये हमारे ही लोग कर रहे हैं ये सब चीजें, जहाँ पे फैमिली से दूर कर रहे हैं बच्चों को. Some children become lost in the trade and they never find their way home again. For those who do make the journey back and are reunited with their parents, many find what's been broken is not so easily put back together, of course. Imagine the biggest mountains you can think of and then stack them on top of one another. Imagine them again. So socho how lost they can get. That's what they're trying to say. That's how big they look, big peaks and biting at the sky. This is Hamla, one of the poorest, most remote parts of Nepal. Journeys are measured in days walk rather than kilometers. So rugged is the terrain. तो सोचो ऐसी जगह से वो बच्चों को लेके जाएंगे. Where will the kids find their way back? They can never find. यहाँ कोई फोन नहीं होगा उनके पास. Nothing. This is like a remote area. Narrow tracks, swing bridges, landslides, waterfalls punctuate the way. Many villages have lived nowhere else their whole lives. Devi's mother Kalavati is one of them. Okay, I'm not going to read that whole thing, but here I'm going to just read a little bit what's important. She earns money from farming, carrying heavy loads on her back, along with this precarious tracks between remote Himalayan villages. And she says, I have 3 children. My husband doesn't give much interest to provide education to them. For survival, I have to work as a porter. And I mean, they're just talking about their situation there. And this is the important one I want to read here. Kalawanti wants something more for her children, education opportunity. That's why she sent her youngest daughter Devi away almost a year ago, believing she would receive schooling in Kathmandu. Instead, she was forced to pose as an orphan. The traffickers who recruit the children for illegal orphanages target the poverty-stricken remote parts of Nepal like Hamla, and they know many uneducated parents are desperate for better life for their children. The traffic syndicate often recruit members of the child's own extended family to persuade the parents. This is what happens, right? जो उनके अंकल आंटी ये सब होंगे ना, उन सब की वजह से immediate family जो होता है ना, वो सब persuade करेंगे parents को to send them away, for a better future or for money or whatever the thing is. The mountains and isolation can make it almost impossible for the parents to travel to Kathmandu to retrieve their children, because they have to travel days on foot to do that. Some children are given false names and some are even issued with false death certificates for their parents. Look at that. How sad is that? Others are too young to remember the real names of their family, community, and they become vulnerable to exploitation, abuse, and neglect. Look at this one here. More than 15,000 children live in orphanages in Nepal, but more than 80% of them are not orphans at all. That means उन सबके पेरेंट्स है, सो किसी न किसी रीजन से उनको ऑर्फनेज भेजा जाता है. Nepal is trying to crack down on the trade. The government has increased sentence for child trafficking, set up a special police unit to raid illegal orphanages and rescue the children. Now you know exactly what SSR would have been working on. Devi was found in one of the raids. तो ये सब देख के किसका दिल नहीं पिघलेगा कि कुछ करने को इसकी तरफ, right? Especially if you have the money and power to do it. This is the day, look at this, children. This is the day that Devi was found in a makeshift orphanage on the outskirts of Kathmandu. She looks pale, feverish, weary after 6 months of living in these conditions. Why the screen is blank? Because something happened with my StreamYard and I think it just threw me off. It was not sharing anymore. I don't know why, but just tell me exactly where I had stopped and then मैं फिर से उसको share करूँगी. So why Satish ji is telling 5 minutes freeze हुआ? Okay, let me share that back. Let me go there back again. I don't know how much I read. Did I show you? I was showing you guys Devi's story, right? So कितना मैंने पढ़ा था? कहाँ तक पढ़ा था? Then I can show you the rest. Was no government well informed of such crime? Exactly, Satish ji. So why no one worked to oppose it? Not one. कैसे चलेगा ये देश? Exactly. और जो oppose कर रहे थे उनको तो finish कर रहे हैं ना ये लोग, एक one by one they have finished them. So of course, where Devi was found, अच्छा there. Okay, let me share that. Let me share that again. Actually, sorry if you guys missed it. I don't know why it did this. The StreamYard का कुछ हो गया. एंड मैं पूरा फुल स्क्रीन की थी, सो आई वाज नॉट इवन लुकिंग एट योर कमेंट्स, तो इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं था कि कहाँ पे स्टॉप हो गया करके. ओके, सो हम आई थिंक वी वेंट थ्रू दिस हियर वेयर शी reunites with her mother, right? And I think I was showing you guys where they found Devi in that orphanage here, right? This is what I was showing you guys कि ये orphanage था जहाँ पे they found her. So this is what I was sharing यहाँ पे कि more than 15,000 children live in orphanages in Nepal, but more than 80% of them are not orphans at all. Nepal is trying to crack down on the trade, and the government has increased sentences for child trafficking and set up a special police unit to raid illegal orphanages and rescue the children. And मुझे नहीं लगता वो कुछ भी हो रहा होगा, but I think because of just this one Australian जो मैं बोल रही थी कि वो Australian organization, charitable organization ने, I think they were the ones who were actually able to help at least some of the kids to reunite when they came to know that कि इनके parents है, they tried to reunite them back with the parents कि actually orphans नहीं है करके. तो मुझे नहीं लगता वहाँ का पुलिस कुछ भी कर रहा होगा. So Devi was found in one of the raids. So this is the place she lived in. This is the day Devi was found in a makeshift orphanage on the outskirts of Kathmandu. She looks pale, feverish, weary after 6 months of living in that conditions, in the appalling conditions. And of course, you can see कि conditions कैसा है यहाँ पे, उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं. The children slept on pieces of foam on the ground. And what their parents had hoped would be a better life had turned into a nightmare. So ये जो recruiters होते होंगे ना, ये जाते होंगे वहाँ पे and ये बोलने के लिए कि we'll give them education, we'll do this, we'll do that, तो भेजो अपने बच्चों को. तो यहाँ पे आके फिर they will pose them. These recruiters do this. And मैं वही बोल रही थी, ये जो recruiters होते हैं ये हमारे देश के बंदे हैं, okay? There are people from outside the country who are trying to help these kids, but the people who are in our own country are the culprits. You know, these are the people who recruit these kids and get them here and try to pose them as orphans, even though they are not, just for all this kind of stuff. The manager of the orphanage failed to secure sponsors, so she stopped providing for the children. They were left to fend for themselves, preparing their own food and walking alone to seek medical help at a local hospital when they fell ill. The manager's husband was violent towards one of the smallest children. So Devi is telling that I did not like the whole thing, and we stayed hungry and we used to get sick always. And she stayed there almost a year before they reunited her. And Devi and other 8 children, okay, 8 children, other 8 children, all from Hamla, were taken to a transit home in Kathmandu, operated by aid organization Forget Me Not. It was founded more than a decade ago, but by a group of young foreigners, including Australian lawyer Kate Van Doore. तो इस lawyer की बात कर रही थी मैं, that she is the one who helped reunite these people because they found out. So the Forget Me Not started out operating an orphanage until Kate and her colleagues found out the children they were told were orphans had living parents. They were paper orphans and made so only by their fraudulent documentation. So she is the one. So thank you to her that, you know, she probably saved some from at least the trafficking angle probably. It was a very emotional time because we had our suspicions by then. So to have them confirmed was emotional for us, said Kate. It was just completely overwhelming shock, I guess. It was a real shock. Forget Me Not then completely changed its mission from orphanage to reuniting the children with their families. The children are asked questions about their families and villages so that the reintegration officers can trace their past so that they can take them back there. So that's what they started doing once they came to know that ये लोग falsely इन बच्चों को लेके यहाँ पे orphans की तरह दिखा रहे हैं करके. Because they are there, they had gone as an organization to help the people who are orphans. But ये लोग ऐसे ही, ये जो वहाँ के देसी रिक्रूटर होंगे ना, जो भी नेपाली, वो लोग ऐसे ही उनको ऐसे लेके आते हैं to show them as orphans, just for the money probably. So I'm just going to go down now to show more about the Devi. Forget Me Not works with the local Nepalese organization, the Himalayan Innovative Society, to deliver the children home safely. The children, they like their home. Yeah. Okay. So this is a very big thing. So of course, I would think that he would be doing something in regards to this. He would be doing something, Sushant. The children with strong stomach look out the window, desperate. The glimpse of as the aircraft gets closer to the capital of Hamla, Simikot. Simikot is the capital of Hamla. So इनको अगर यहाँ से वहाँ ले जाना है तो ये तो हेलीकॉप्टर में ही ले जाना पड़ेगा, because this, like I showed you guys, right, it takes days for them to go to their places. But the flights land safely and the children set foot on the ground in Hamla for the first time in almost a year. So these are all the children they took back to Hamla to reunite with their parents. And this is the girl Devi that we're talking about in the front there. There were 8 other children with her. So this they're talking about when she goes and meets her mother. At first, Devi can only see her mother in a silhouette walking up the passageway and hear the familiar jingle of her mother's traditional jewelry. Ab ye dekho. Then Kalavati is her mother. She emerges through the doorway. Devi rushes forward, bowing at her mother's feet respectfully. But her mother pushes her away and puts the tradition first. It's not that she's a bad mother, just that वो लोग अपना ट्रेडिशन फॉलो करना पड़ेगा उनको शायद, and they do this, but which is not good. But puts the tradition first, and custom dictates that she greets the men present before turning her attention to her daughter. So she's first greeting the men. Devi cries desperate for her mother's embrace. यार 1 साल से बच्चे को नहीं देखा है तुमने यार, क्या कर रहे हो? Kalavati doesn't yet fully understand what her daughter has been through. I can't even read these kind of things. I can't see, when I talk about kids and all these things, it's very, very emotional for me. I have 2 kids and I cannot imagine anything. The reunion is awkward and complicated, and Devi and the 8 other children have returned to a life their parents didn't want for them. Her village is deep in mountains in one of the most impoverished, isolated parts of Nepal, and Hamla ranks in the bottom 3 of the Nepal 77 districts on almost every measure of development. So Kalavati paid several months' earnings to send her youngest daughter to the capital Kathmandu and trusted that she would be looked after. So I guess उसको भी लग रहा होगा कि अभी वापस आ गई करके, but she is a mother, so she'll be fine. It's only when Devi tells her of her awful conditions at the illegal orphanage that Kalavati starts to understand. There's a mixture of sadness, regret, frustration that her plans for her daughter have unraveled. And I thought she was studying, so I didn't cry. She's telling, oh, that's why she when she saw her, she didn't really greet her that way. She thought like she was studying. Kalavati says, I used to miss her a lot and I wanted her to get an education. The relationship between mother and daughter is out of sync. Devi is worldlier after her time in the city. When she and her mom go to sign the documents confirming her return, Devi signs her name, but illiterate Kalavati can only leave a thumbprint. Okay, at least they got united and all these people got united. So really that is what I wanted to cover today, guys. There is much more that I wanted to talk about because I saw like, you know, a few more things from Steve Pinto stuff and all, but I think I'll keep it for another day because I don't want to do everything on today only. Today it's already 2.5 hours and अभी ये पढ़ रही थी तो मैं अपनी दुनिया में चली गई थी उसको पढ़ते पढ़ते. Where Devi was found. Devi was found in Kathmandu. Kathmandu में उनको लेके जाके उनको एक ऑर्फनेज में डाले थे without even knowing. जब वो organization था, I showed you that organization that they were talking about, that was helping the kids, right? So they were the ones who actually wanted to help orphan kids, and that's why they came into the picture, like to help the orphan kids. But once they found out that there were a lot of kids who were not orphans, but falsely documentation हुआ था कि वो orphans है, then they kind of changed their mission and tried to actually reunite those kids back to take them to Hamla. That's when they took up that mission and took those kids back to their places after getting all the stuff from the kids. तो उस process में you can understand if there are very small kids and all, उनको तो कुछ याद भी नहीं रहेगा, you know, to look and tell about their past or their parents' name or whatever. So ऐसे kids they get lost, right? They will still be in orphanage. They are not going to find home back. अगर somebody like Devi, who is like 10 years old and could actually convey something, they were able to at least get her back, right? So so Abhi, I think I'm going to take all the comments and oh yeah, let me try to, I was looking for that picture of the hand, right? I know I have it. Because I do want to see the hand picture just once. To make, to just show you guys actually. मैंने तो देखा है, but to show you guys there are now, you know, ये और लंबा होता जाएगा अभी. But मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा ये. So let me search for that. And actually, you know what? मैं क्यों भूल जाती हूँ? Let me send StreamYard if you guys want to come in. So thank you so much, Neetu ji. तो नानी जी, नीतू जी तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ, जो दूसरे वाले नीतू जी है. तो नानी जी, थैंक यू सो मच. सो यू कैन सी नानी जी हाउ व्हाई सुशांत वुड बी सो कनेक्टेड टू समथिंग लाइक दिस, राइट? तो क्योंकि हम लोग भी जब देख रहे हैं तो हमें गूसबम्स आ रहे हैं कि ये सब देख के कि कैसे इन बच्चों को एक्सप्लॉइट, you know, कर रहे होंगे. तो he would have had lot more information and lot more you know, things on these kind of things. Loving your session. Thank you नानी जी. आप पहली बार जुड़े हैं एक्चुअली, आपने मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस नहीं देखा होगा. प्लीज गो चेक ऑल माय वीडियोस. मैं लास्ट ईयर से जो वीडियोस बना रही हूँ उसमें बहुत कुछ एनालिसिस दिखाया है मैंने. If you can have time then you can watch it. हेमा जी, चेक April 13, 2020 of Agnes. The drugs वाला पिक्चर, oh it is still there. मैं क्लिक करके ढूंढ के तक गई, but I couldn't find it. Is it still there? Okay, let me see. या फिर मैं इतने सारे विंडोज ओपन करके देख रही थी तो मैंने शायद मिस कर दिया होगा फिर. ओह अच्छा, है यहाँ पे है. आई फाउंड इट. ओके, लेट मी शेयर दैट विद यू गाइस. Okay, this is the picture I was talking. I don't know how I missed it. Maybe I was clicking too much. So this, look at that. You see powder around her mouth here on the top, and she's like holding like a, I don't know what it is, cigarette bud or something. This is April 13th. And she says, living in a generation where 18-year-old, so she's 18-year-old can find a drug dealer before cops. Just a theme, but if you do drugs, say no to drugs. Okay. तो मैंने एक और पिक्चर आपको दिखाया था अप्रैल का ही, राइट? ये April 13, 2020 का है. एंड ये जो पिक्चर मैंने आपको दिखाया था जिसमें I'll show it again, एंड ये April 11th का है. right? So she is into something. But if you see this, and then she's saying, identify the legs behind, this is what I was talking about, right? So look at that, very white legs in the background. So इसके बारे में तो हम already बात कर चुके हैं. But if you see lot of her, let me show you one more thing where I find it so weird. Not weird actually, but let me show you. Because you know, ये सब बच्चियां हैं, you know, so I'm not going to talk in terms of like that, because we don't know ki what they are going through, why they were doing what they were doing, you know, they get trapped in all this. But this is one of our friend जिसको वो विश कर रही है, एंड इसी में एक वीडियो है which is so very weird. The reason because, I mean, first of all, she's very young. You can see there's a young kid in the background there, right? So probably her friend's daughter or something. Look at the bottles here. Look at that, full bottles. All these are drinks bottles. Like, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, but again, if you see her Instagram, you'll find everything, you know, her smoking, her with hookahs, her with everything. So they were probably into that kind of stuff where these, you know, they probably these were the girls that they used to call to these kind of rave parties, probably. The only thing is, you know, she got killed. And look at that, the flower. You see the flower everywhere. Now look at that, the flower coming here. Remember, we were talking about Disha's flower connection with Riya. And यहाँ पे देखो flower का connection. But anyway, so this is the tattoo I was telling, the tattoo place I was showing you guys, जहाँ पे वो tattoo करवाई है. So she obviously knows this person, Sayam Patel, who is the one who did her tattoo, Sam Studio of Tattoo Art. So ये सब लोग उसको जानते थे. यहाँ पे भी किसी का हाथ पकड़िए, इसका भी एक नाम है. I don't want to reveal here. I don't know, a boyfriend or something, but I think something called Krishna उसका नाम है. And she's holding the hand. Friend होगा नहीं तो just. But yeah, so I feel there's a lot of connection, but we can't really say for sure. It's all out in the open, that's all. Pushpa ji, Agnes was one of the who must have been trapped in the young age. Correct. She might be helping SSR in the research. Possible. That's what some people are saying, but like I'm not completely sure of that. But yes, the thing she's holding in her hand is currency. They roll it and snort the powder. Oh, acha. Now I got it. Okay. Yeah, when they show the drugs, when they take the drugs and all, they show that. Yeah. Okay, let me actually. आज के लिए इतना ही. कल थोड़ा ये कर सकते हैं. We can talk a little more maybe tomorrow on the bodies and all that. I had some more like stuff, but we can talk about that tomorrow, क्योंकि अभी ढूंढते रहेंगे तो बहुत देर हो जाएगा. And there are a lot more connections if you start digging into this child trafficking and all these angles. Lot more things are there, which we'll talk later. But today I just wanted to really focus on that particular that Hamla angle, because of this place I found and all this kind of stuff. That's what I just wanted to focus and show you guys on.